Hey, Journey Church coffee team. We've got a new coffee machine, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know on this complicated machine, which is actually not complicated at all. It's pretty cool. This is our new machine, and off to the right here, you'll see how we make coffee, the instructions on how to do it, and how much coffee to make. This is a dry erase sheet here that will change as our church grows or if our coffee needs actually change. And if you zoom in there, you'll see Saturday service, Sunday service, and then other events. So if you're the 50 plus group, the coolest group in the church, you'll know exactly how much coffee to make for the size of your group. But what we're going to do real quick is we're going to go ahead and make a whole batch of coffee and set up the coffee bar just like you would any service real quick. Okay, so the first thing you do is we take out the basket, we grab our coffee filters, and then we grab our coffee. There's not much room in here, so what I recommend is that you go ahead and come out here. You are making, multiple pots of coffee, that you go ahead and lay out multiple baskets and go ahead and get them filled out. But right now, just for this test, we're gonna make one small. So that's 1.5 scoops. And then this just goes right into the basket, but take care to make sure it won't fall over. And then we'll put this in. How hard this is. Everybody pay attention to these steps right now. This basket goes here, and we're making a small, so I'm gonna hit small. All done. All right, so the first batch is done, so we're gonna take out the basket, and we're gonna throw this away. We're gonna rinse this out thoroughly. And we can put this back up top. All right, so this flap will go right over the top just to kind of seal that coffee in there. And then we'll take this out and put it right on the coffee bar. Then we'll add the drip tray. And we're all set up. Now there's one thing that's different that I have to show you with these coffee pots. The two main pots that we use to have the bases secured, the rest of the pots have this. And these pots literally just sit in the top. So you won't transfer these together. They just sit in the top. All right, so it's after service and it's time to rinse this out. We'll take the drip tray and the coffee with us. We'll bring it back here. Remove it from the bottom by unlocking, pulling that out, unscrewing the whole top, rinsing thoroughly with water.